If you want to add a first-line indent in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to indent the first line of a paragraph so your document looks cleaner, more professional, and properly formatted. This is especially useful for essays, reports, letters, and any document where you want that classic paragraph style. And if you find this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document saved, you can open that instead and go straight to the paragraph you want to format. Once your document is open, select the paragraph you want to indent. You can highlight the whole paragraph or place your cursor inside it if you want to adjust just that one section. Now go up to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, click Paragraph. This is where LibreOffice gives you full control over paragraph formatting, including spacing, alignment, and indentation. When the paragraph window opens, make sure you're on the Indents and Spacing tab. This is the section you need for first line indentation. In this tab, look for the first line option. You'll see a box where you can enter the indent value you want. You can type in a small amount for a subtle indent or increase it if you want a more noticeable space at the beginning of each paragraph. A common first line indent is around 1/2 inch, but you can use whatever amount works best for your document style. After entering the value, take a moment to review the settings and make sure everything looks right. Then click OK to apply the change. Once you do that, LibreOffice will automatically indent the first line of the selected paragraph. If you selected multiple paragraphs, the same formatting will apply to all of them, which is a great way to keep your document consistent. If you want to format more paragraphs the same way, you can repeat the same process or simply copy the formatting to other sections of your document. This is a fast way to keep your layout clean without manually adjusting every paragraph one by one. So just to recap, open LibreOffice Writer, select your paragraph, go to Format, choose Paragraph, open the Indents and Spacing tab, enter your first line indent value, and click OK. That's all it takes to add a first line indent in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.